Some days are just a little cooler than others. This was one of those days at Mesa Middle School.
Today we have a exploration opportunity for kids with a partnership with Christian Brothers Automotive.
The owners of Christian Brothers came to the school with an idea.
What if we brought an engine into classrooms?
So they brought two.
I love getting out there and being able to teach kids about stuff like this and giving the opportunity to let them tear down an engine.
Now we get to work on and take apart, and I think it's really cool and fun.
They're learning from the experts.
How they got started or what they needed to do in middle school.
Experts like Master Mechanic Eric Waterbury.
Originally a graduate of Douglas County High School here in Douglas County.
He remembers finding his passion.
I did take some automotive classes in high school, then continued on in an apprenticeship.
It is pretty cool being able to do this before going into DC.
He's passed on his excitement to multiple generations.
The young man behind me, Robert, who's here today helping me, is one of my apprentices.
It'll be 4 years in February, and I love it.
Left, right.
Just the fun and joy you have just brings joy and laughter.
Now it's Robert's turn to be a spark.
Don't have to do college. There's a lot of fun stuff that it doesn't involve college.
They're giving these middle schoolers something to think about.
Yes, actually, I've thought about it just because my dad, one of his hobbies was kind of like working on cars.
The student enthusiasm was more than they expected.
So I thought I'd get 20 to 30 students interested. Now that's grown to about 115 students.
Oh, they're so excited. And I'm loving just letting them do it and watching.
Turns out this was one of those days.
At Mesa Middle School, we try to provide that in many different fronts. And this is just one of those opportunities.
A day that was just a little cooler than the rest.
Well, maybe we should try using one of those.
I want them to find passion in their lives and passion in their learning. Then you're not working, you're doing what you love.